Yeah, my people, we don't come again for this morning show, whether they call Ogbonge show on top politics matter for we states. Well, I go remember, say for last week, we talk small things for this politics matter for the state. And I go still remember, say before 25th of February, the general election where Britain say today they don't declare one party and the candidate winner for the president matter and some House of Reps and Senate. Well, I go remember, say today na Friday, the eve of tomorrow, will be Saturday where they do the governorship election. They not go take place for Edo State. The House of Assembly election they take place for Edo State. For other states, some state day will be say governorship not they take place. So majority of the state day will be say governorship will take place. Then we go to mad for so many things. But just 30 minutes for Edo people to understand how they don't ready for tomorrow election to vote, how other people don't ready to vote against each other, how some people don't they prepare to win and jollificate with themselves. My name still remains Elganayore Nosakari, who all of you know as Nosa. I will get one of one person for this show, don't a co-anchor person, but he must be made tatata for politics and sport matter. His name still remains Okweze Precious.
My people for us, good morning. Mona just sit down with us as we do this program, they go.
Say make we carry on her daughter come wey be say she dey always dey turn up for this studio every morning. Every 30 minutes they give una ogbonge story from TMC radio. Her name still remain Ayeni.
Good morning, country people. My name na Taiwo Ayeni, and we turn down top this show this morning to talk on politics matters. It concern the country and even Edo State. Mona no go anywhere. Mona dey with us.
Oh yeah, Precious, make you give us small light for your area, because where be your area self?
I dey Ikobahi.
They do that side from Edo State government.
Government never reach there. Government they come.
Okay, they come.
They road. They come.
Okay, what you try to now say? Don't reach Teboga Junction.
Yes, government don't reach Teboga Junction exactly. So they come. You know, say they say government na small. That government till they come. So you know, say they don't come from town. Yes. They don't enter Teboga Junction. And the reason why government don't come Ikobahi, it don't near Ikobahi. Yes. Now because of waiting the one happen tomorrow.
Well, make we not begin dancing story inside the matter. Make we come out again, make we start from 25th February. How election take place where we say President-elect Ahmed Tinubu Jagaban. You know his name plenty.
Yes.
You know, I they see the man get swag. You know, people who get swag, their name, they plenty. It be like me now, my name not plenty because I not get swag. 25th election, they can't declare APC candidate winner and APC as a party. Make we took mad for the election will take place for Edo State. How it be with from your own area?
You see the election when it take part for across the country for the 25th election when they do for February, few weeks back. You know, at last year January, now just two political parties now did the race. Just the two major political parties. The one we do from 1999 to 2015. And the one we take over from 2015 to present government. Now, but the as we call it, the process just changed once. When one man just moved from one of the party, go another party. When we call third force. As no need as Peter Obi just moved from PDP, go Labour Party, can become third force. Now the ball can't change. Now we can't get slogan like obedient. We can't get articulated. We can't get Batify. Whatever one you be, because you get Kwakwasolic, anyone you want. Kwankwasia, anyone you want. Because another new fourth force can rise from ground where they call NNPP. You know if you take them away, he win one of the state, he win his own state, which is Kano. So now one of the major force because he gets reach million. Because the winner of the election, they declare with about 8 million something. And the rest 6 million, 1 million. Now, the moment Peter Obi just enter the race, the mathematics just change. Now, Nigeria youth say, now this one we want. Social media, you know if you take them away. Obedient. Are you obedient? Are you useful? Now, this before other political parties just just sit down for chair, say, now we get them. From 1999 to 2015, now we they win so state. So nothing go change. But Obi just come the scene. Just change them. Whereby after the election, after the call result, so many of them don't see water drink.
As I make I begin ask Ayeni, make you look the area where it be say some of the Bogons, some of Odunga, political Odunga, where they win their state before, that 25th presidential election, with the records where we see, majority of them lose their state. Somebody like the president of Nigeria, he lose his state, which is Castina. The candidate lose his state, which is Lagos. We even hear say for Yobe, we hear say Senate president, he lose his state. And the G5 governors, I hear say some the Benue lose the senatorial seat, and he lose his state to APC. Then the G5, the two Igbo G5, I hear say they also lose their state to this Peter Obi party. Then this speaker for rep, he lose his state, which is same Lagos. And the governor of Lagos State, he lose his state. Then the governor of Edo State, he lose his state. Not just lose his state, he lose out to even to APC. Then some Obonge people, they win election before. If you help us chook mouth, why these people lose these areas rich like that?
For this election matter, all of us know say the way we take turn, not be wetin we expect. Because if you look, like my brother don't talk, for the third first, if you look people no expect say the thing go plenty as e plenty so. Because people they talk say the party no get structure, they just come up one afternoon, come begin they make noise everywhere. Say na social media party, they even they call Peter Obi, say na social media president in go be. So me I believe say some of these governors don't relax, say nothing they happen. We don't they win. I go win my state. I don't they win them before, and I go still win them again. They don't know say power don't change hand. Youth they vex, especially for the kind of thing where they happen. And then the present government too, they no can still try. Election don't near. You know, this cash wahala way they disturb all Nigerians. Where they suppose put eye, make sure say they solve. Petrol save they high, it they cost. People know they see buy. Where they suppose solve all this kind of thing to even make people mind calm down. They no do anything. They just leave on to lock and say now we did there now we. Me I want talk for my mind. This presidential election where APC win, I just share luck. Because if you see and the battle they very very fierce as Oyibo people they talk. Now tug of war. The thing just they go like na me go win. So me I feel say those governors they don't relax too much. Then believe say no now we they win am before. How somebody will be say party will be say just start for August. Because now August where they do the primary where the thing no can settle again for PDP. Now Peter Obi can come up for the party, can go Labour Party. In fact, some persons wey win for Labour Party, they don't even expect them. Like for Kaduna, if you see some persons wey win for House of Rep, wey win Senate.
Yes.
They say one man for Kaduna State now, Kada they ride. So people, I even believe say some of them say
don't become senator.
He don't become senator overnight.
Rep.
Okay, rep. Okay.
Yes, he don't become rep. He don't become. They represent some persons. Some persons they say they don't even do campaign. But because a youth they vex say how you go be sitting government, can't they take us for granted? Because now waiting youth, then they talk with that. They say the present government take them for granted. They say they take Nigerians for granted. Things just they it get as it be country no settle, and it can't be like say the present government no even send anybody.
Oh yeah, make we chook mouth because now we won't begin leave the general area. When they come Edo, we will concentrate for Edo. Make we enter Delta State. Precious, for Delta State, the governor there, now from now contest vice presidential position, come be candidate, abi?
Yes.
And they do 8 years for that state. It come from that Anioma area, where be Ika. And if you see some Ogbonge people will come from that place, Lucky Rabo will be army chief now from that area. Nduka Obi Agbina, because the way to go to understand say Nduka Obi Agbina na get arise. And the way they arise concentrate on Tinubu and the party, not be small. I not say maybe they did bias so Nduka Obi Agbina come from Ika. Then it gets on that person who come from that same area. Elumelu Ndidi. I hear say lose the rep this time. Now the younger brother to the UBA boss, he come from that area. Then the man will be say he shoot himself for leg, shoot Nigerians for head, shoot the entire nation for belle. Even come put some governors wey be dey win election into jeopardy as oyibo dey talk am. CBN governor, he come from that same area. You see the force. And as we speak, PDP no win that area. The presidential vice president, presidential candidate, will be Okowa, will be the governor. He lose that place. He lose the rep. He lose election for that place. Pata. And you see the Ogbonge names when I call so. I know say some not the partisan, but majority they underground partisan, and they still lose that place. What do you think? That's the same thought force you see there, or now the way the country, or the way PDP don't first they rule, or the way PCT they rule now, the way the people feel now say these two people, these two parties make una they go with the verse for now. Now it happen, or now the thought force, now they on ground politically to win election for the area.
Now, you see one of the reasons why you see say they lose their area. No, because in a PDP or APC. Now, Nigerians don't tell themselves, say, we know they vote because say una want impose candidate on us. We they vote because say, waiting this person get to offer. Now they look, waiting you get to offer. Waiting be your past result, and waiting be your present result. Now, you don't feel like you go here, like Peter Obi campaign for 1 year. He always tell you, say, go verify. If what I talk, no they correct. Tell me, this is my political ambition, this is my presidential ambition, I go drop am. And for 1 year, nobody, I repeat, nobody come and say, wait till you talk, na lie, wait till you talk, na true. You go even see where some go talk something. After enough investigation, because say, na, the something no correct, the chook touchlight put it no clear. Now, one of the reasons why you see these people lose, no people no use name, who you beat a vote. They vote, waiting you go fee offer.
Yes.
Say before they just come out, our papa and mama you tell us say, you see, we just vote for this party because now they go take us go. We no go ask them say, waiting you get to offer, where you for the come, waiting you don't do. We just go there, we just vote. Before for Nigeria, we dey vote for party, we not dey vote for candidate.
Yes.
But only say candidate need to come out from party,
yes,
so that you feel voter. But this present 2023 election, they no vote for party, they vote for candidate. Wait till you get to offer. Many of all these people wey dey contest for honorable for senate, as election just finish now, so go just file case. Might say high court just look the case, no favor them, they don't come out. Many of them don't travel come out. Some when come from Delta, as the case study Delta, they don't go where big men they stay, Abuja, they don't go Lagos, they don't go this. After 3.5 years,
yes,
they come enter plane, come back, come reach their constituency, whatever call, they speak big English. They call speak big English. Now Nigeria don't say enough of all those English. Waiting you get to offer, waiting you feel do. So many people now honorable, so many people now senate, where they never know their work. As they wait to be the function, or wait to be the function of senator, wait to be the function of rep, they not go fit. But because say one man just sit down for one chair, where they not the lawyer give for years, don't come and say, now this man will they give the ticket, now this woman will they give the ticket. The man don't come out. Then that man will sit down for one chair when we go they call Godfather. Yes. Don't tell the people, say, you see this area, now so and so person will they vote for. Everybody go just agree. But now, everybody, majority of Nigeria say no Godfather. Waiting you get to offer. Somebody make one statement one day, say, this man, I know one call this, say this man will they give commissioner of road. If the same of us work out for this area, this state, he don't know road pass me. He say he never know road. Now people they carry. If the same they go put us for one place now, more we use leg, take the channel road to road. He don't know, and you give a commissioner of road. I don't want to work. So
right.
Nigerians don't get this mindset. Say we know the vote party. Now candidate with the vote. We know they commode the place of party, because every candidate need to come out with party. Now, might just go first. But see the federal, the House of Senate and the Rep, 8 political parties. 1 and 8, 1 and 9. It never happened before. Before, if it will happen, na 3. Say the court push and maybe court can't come in. It will be 4. Nah, 9. You go see the beauty of democracy. You can't be democracy in action. The big man will define democracy. Say the local definition. Say the democracy now for government for the people and by the people for the people. Now, any party we want bring waiting no go favor the masses. We go, say some of that our where they select for the green chair and the red chair. Some of them they bring laws wey dey favour their party. You know say one party na the bring new money come out, na dem suspend the new money, and na dem still carry the people when e bring the money come out go court.
Yes.
Na dem start am, na dem still end am, and na dem still win am say make dem still dey use the old money. Now if these laws pass the senate now and the house of rep, 8 political parties, your oyibo man say 2 good head, no be 2 head o, 2 good head better pass 1. They go argue am.
We go favor
the masses.
Yes.
Because that man, like for example, now that man when he win for Kaduna State, when he first drive Okada, you don't expect that man to go that house, because he know wetin the masses feel. Whether you like it or not, last 2 months, I did sure the mass take you back for it. I did sure because now Okada they drive. You never get police when they follow am. Now, if some laws like that come, I go say no. I don't dey there. I know where for the come. Now this one you both call democracy in action. So any political party with this one now to 2023, 4 years from now, no surprise, another new force will come out. So not just for the candidates now, not leave the party where you did, do something.
Okay, you dey talk about another force fit come out. To my own little understanding, when I know, if present government do well, all this kata not go take place. Third force, fourth force, it not go take place. Nigerians believe say the Buhari and APC government since 2015 don't put pepper for our eyes. We can't manage wash am. We wash am finish, they still they come meet us say, make sure say this government will put pepper for our eyes, make we continue with what they call continuity. Are you getting me? Now make the third force come out. If Buhari by that age, when he declare, say in D, in B, and Buhari walk, youth not fit come out again. No. If old age they take power from now, we go conclude say, as an old man, he don't do well. So let this old man still take over from now. Make we still continue the old man style. This agitation, this revolution for not come out. Then if you check out from this other angle, by the special grace of God, they swear in the APC candidate will be president-elect so by May 29. That one I did to my birthday. And the man kickstart immediately. They change the narrative from what people understand for the past government where go waka come out. And he can't begin do well. That third force, he go to die. I know Nigerians. When you do waiting, go make them smile, they happy. You don't get problem with them. But when you put pepper for their eyes, no problem. And what you will expect if Tinubu, by the special grace of God, as well in, it can start. It not make difference for between now and 2 years time for inside the 4 years. What happen February 25th, it will be ×3. They will remove them. Because people don't get the awareness. Then we'll go back to the Okada man when they win rep. You don't say, when you too take for poverty, the day you go see food out of poverty, if you not take time, the way you they carried away, you don't go remember say that you ride Okada a year ago. You know some people be like that. You know say some poor people, they not design themselves to become rich. Because if they're rich, they feel lost focus. They feel return back to poverty again. Some people they like that. Some day will be say they're poor. And not be everybody will poor, now they ride Okada. Are you getting me? Not be everybody will poor where now they use Okada walk. But some people they use Okada, they add value, join money where they get elsewhere. We don't know. Are you getting me? So now that man where they go rep, where they carry police, where they even cause any rep or senator, where go use police enter police station as you talk just now, he go buy for a leave him, he go still they queue. if he don't enter there, he's entitled to a policeman by right. Now you know whether he will increase him. Don't be surprised say if he just take your risks based on his own imagination. Are you getting me? If he just take out to 6, before you know, if people they wait up for home to stoner, say not be by you, you take winner. Now somebody even buy you from. You don't expect say you go win. But now the way Buhari and APC take roll us, and the way PDP first take roll us 16 years ago, when they take the reign, when they take the campaign against them, now it make us vote for you. So even no they when no they enter motor, they drive motor before, or if they drive before, condition if you return her to motorcycle. Now advice will still give these people say once you climb up, make you do well. That joko when they give you, when you take climb, and these same people will remove the joko for you. Or they talk and said, do good to people on your way up. Some leaders, they be ladders. But some leaders, they be needers. They not be leader. So he said, do good to people on your way up. You may need them on your way down. You know so now we both talk.
Yes, now we both talk.
Good. Now, we don't took one for Senate, rep, and part of the way people take agitate to get their way. We go waka comot from Delta State because it's not far from here. We go enter Edo. We go use Edo take close this 30 minutes program. Now check Edo Revolution, February 25th. As governor work reach. People like say these people. They don't like better thing, no.
You say waiting. You get what you talk.
As governor work reach.
Work. I be as governor the work now. Or
No,
work reach.
no. As governor work reach. Let me get this floor.
No,
wait.
As governor work reach or as governor the work now.
As he don't work reach for people. As he don't try reach.
This thing come out from inside your belly, from your intestine.
Okay, wait. Ayeni,
I deal with you.
you know say governor don't work well. Before now, before the election.
If you dey ask me from my opinion, from
Because I don't want special. Because the way they attack me, he get as he be. But you know well say governor don't work. I'll count out for you.
now opinion of the
Wait,
masses.
no. Me go count what the governor don't do.
Wait. Governor campaign for presidency for this state.
You say?
Governor campaign for
He
presidency.
do three
No,
campaign.
he campaign for presidency.
No, wait. Listen. Yes, he campaign.
Wait now, he campaign.
Yes, I will tell you.
If he work, yeah, I know they follow you. I just ask you, he campaign.
Yeah, he work.
If he work, what he go tell us now? Me wanna vote for my party candidate. I said they work. Now so he go take work. Simple.
The work speak for him.
Now he lose.
Now the people.
You don't say lose the word though.
Now now the third force. Now the third force.
What if be the third force? Not because he work years ago.
He be like say,
He get track
you
record.
know say those people they do one thing. They go just see the way the team fine. They go run follow him. They don't know Obi. They don't know Labour Party.
But they get the track record.
Track record.
No.
Okay, now the way governor did this state, now the way government did this state since 14 days. If not so it be before, you notice say PDP for win this state. The way government did this state. 14 days ago.
All that still work. Like they say 8 years.
Why?
No.
Okay, when last you see governor move from word to word?
He do it for your election. He do it for your election.
I say when last.
He do it for
How
your
many years
election.
governor get left? He get a year and some months. When everybody come 1 year and some months.
He not too big again.
Okay.
You know say primary day this year.
Okay, now see governor last week Uwelu market. Uwelu where they no get road, where they cry, they never cry me to cry. Now when election don't reach tomorrow, last week now governor go there. Now Ikobayi I dey stay. I never sure say governor don't reach Ikobayi or he don't pass that area for the past 1 year.
All of the days inside the 8 years we want to work.
Why?
He say after 8 years,
This movement
I will leave a good legacy for my successor to continue with.
nobody they argue this movement is political motivated. See all the road now that they tie am.
Make una no forget say
He did the plan. No. He did the plan.
Oyibo people say seeing is believing. Edo people no gree see wetin him do. They no see am. Now when election don reach now I come dey run up and down everywhere. They
He be like say, you be like opposition wey be say no good things wey government dey do. They no dey see am. Now 200,000 jobs to youth.
200,000 job.
Yes.
200,000 job.
do am.
200,000 job.
Edo production center where people dey go today wey be say People don't open businesses for that place. If they work well, and don't innovate. Where be say people they now hope where people go they learn work. Where people they engage themselves, go learn work after 3 months, 6 months. I don't say they pay for it for 6 months, but they don't post many come.
Wait,
I will tell you what.
Wait. They make me and you now. Wait till you they call questionnaire. That paper with the right things, questionnaire. More go ring good now. Go go Uselu, go Lama Park, go Agbo Park, go first to go anywhere. More share am. More give you to more see whether we'll get 50,000 when you get that Edo job. There's difference between contract and job. There's difference between empowerment and job.
No, when they say one give 200,000 jobs, he not say one put up for civil service.
And that be the thing. Now when they say he said one change the country,
no,
we not ask which change now.
Okay, what of the internet? He said internet for within because 2016 we governor the campaign. He said in 6 months of my administration, I go put internet for everywhere. In 6 months of my administration, in 2016, I go make sure say every home get light. You don't get light.
I don't get light for the past 1 week. I don't get light.
Also, never reach your side.
Where the street light dey off. Also, where the power street light dey off.
Organo, sir. If headache dey worry you, I can't carry medicine wey go cure stomach pain give you. I don't solve your problem. Now the problem with governor, when me I think say governor Obaseki they get be that. When you want solve person problem, you go ask and say, wetin be your problem?
Wetin be your problem?
Then you go come solve am the way where the person want make you take solve am. But if you can't say, I get headache, you can't carry water, they press my leg. How you want to solve my problem? You won't give me internet where people they hungry for your states.
Who never eat the grass? I see Limit Junction from Sapler Road. You know say they do that road like 6 months ago. You don't pass there now. See Country Home Junction. I dey tell you near you here now. See Country Home Junction.
Listen.
But now, because say election day tomorrow, when last you see governor they say vote my candidate, vote my candidate, vote my candidate, vote my candidate. It is a political motivated matter. Why you want to make we vote your candidate? No be wetin you dey do us, your candidate go do us.
And make we still try and go back to that 25th election as we dey talk and so.
It be like so na me o.
Governor Obaseki no too do well because the campaign for a presidential candidate, me I no see say him put body well.
Reach this one when they do so.
No. See, I go argue this one with you now. Let me tell you something, Me, okay, not true. You know, really campaign for president.
Campaign, we don't say no campaign.
No campaign. The way campaign is
going. See. No smoke.
The reason.
No smoke. They come without fire.
I come. The reason why he slow down. Now, so APC do. APC still say, what if Buhari don't do go make them win election?
Me, I believe say.
I come. Then governor no say, I don't work for Edo. I stop Agbero. Ticket. They know they cut ticket again.
You say? They know they cut ticket again.
They know they cut ticket again now.
They know they cut ticket again. No, they know they cut ticket on Sunday. Which pass administration they cut ticket on Sunday? Now,
for this Bini?
No, be this Bini.
All those people they cut ticket for now Redo send them.
I said they cut ticket for this Bini on Sunday. Sunday. I know they said them say Sunday ticket they cut out for this Bini, and the governor failed to address them.
Oga Precious.
You think your motor go well?
It be like now.
But now they don't go well. See people wait there what to do.
Now only report where they come from government house and social media. Now Mr. Nosa they follow. Carry waka enter street make you begin to ask people say how Governor Obaseki administration be. Now you go begin to hear matter. You go begin to hear how people expect or what people expect make you do when you no do. Now in the talk say they cut ticket even on Sunday.
On Sunday. They cut ticket for this video on Sunday.
But market women they appeal. Because when I see Madam Blackie, Madam Blackie,
see 7 years of
you see Madam Blackie.
May I tell you something now? Election now tomorrow. They don't work for Oba Market when he born. Oba Market, me and you know where Oba Market is born. Why be saying now this week they call it work for Oba Market? Wait till they try to make me understand and say now this period. Now I know the power of governor or government for state. Now I know. You know one of the reasons why it be like that. Now because say the house we suppose they checkmate the governor for us. Because the reason why would they get no, the reason why
now continuity of election.
No, the reason why would they get house when Oyibo they call House of Assembly for state. Now me and you know all of us know if we go the house. So we can't send one person say abeg on behalf of us go the airport torchlight the government.
But
Now because they the house no complete, now make work no day. Now if opposition dey the house as the focus they go say this party go win, this party go win, this party go win, this party go win. If opposition dey the house, you sure say wetin dey happen for this state go happen.
Mr. Nusa,
Now this state we dey when they carry bulldozer, caterpillar go destroy houses. If those bulldozer when they take go destroy houses for Amagba, that Iyeko houses, if you feel remember, if they carry those bulldozer take work for Edo State, those bulldozer wey they carry that day, because I see the caterpillar. If they carry those bulldozer take work for all the road wey dey Edo State, you see Edo go remain as it be. Since traffic light wey dey between MMO and Saple Road, when if they come from third, motor don jam am since. Trailer, I dey when trailer jam am.
Campaign.
Na because of campaign.
See, make I quick tell you this thing.
I see the before you go that side. I see the chukma for that House of Assembly matter. Remember, say APC talk say their own candidates wey people elect for 2019.
Yes, na people elect them.
Inaugurated. No, they no gree come.
Yeah, they do inauguration for night.
Not be night they do am.
Okay, na cool of
see,
the day.
listen, you know what happen?
No,
See,
the cool of
to my small understanding, those 14 members they not come. Because waiting a year, they said the 14 members go they ready, bring cultural group, carry their wife, bring family. Before they say me they come, begin they come, the ones who are serious, they don't go the house, they inaugurate them.
But the inaugurate person with short knicker for picture wey me and you see.
How you are
Now photo design.
see,
Na photo design. Okay.
for you to say you want
graphic.
lead people, you want serve people, or you want be their governor, you must be ready.
How many members did the house?
You must be ready to
14 no
accommodate
dey.
people.
And at 24 over 24. Oh, 14 minus 24. How many remain?
10 not 4 quorum.
The
10.
quorum. But now one man. See,
Majority
the majority of the people wey
na
suppose
dey
stand for
house.
us. See all those House of Assembly members when they suppose work for their constituency, nothing happen.
What of the ones who did it? What did they do for their constituency?
One way or the other, they are chat project. Either borehole.
No,
Or the
governor.
first.
See, listen. See, I dey follow Mr. Governor since all the things where they.
Okay, you give us 10 things wey governor don do.
Go tell them. You
Wait,
give
they
me
happy.
contact.
Wait, no,
just
not be
give-
wetin he do for himself.
wait.
But wetin he do wey be say the people for
He said, no, you ask me question.
Yes.
See, before I go there, when they do inauguration, when Mr. Governor received them before inauguration, he called the 24 members, Congome House. He tell them, say, he just be like small retreat. I believe say TMC cover him because I was there. He said the era wey be say na so borehole we dey do, we go stop am. Most of those projects we go carry a joint state executive project, make we dey work am together. Whereby you say constituency money, if they give some people, they go divert and go another area, we go stop am. And a good idea. 3 days later, now they go do inauguration. When the 14 members, whether they not remember saying at that date and time, I don't know. But some people tell me, say, for information, pocket information for us, I say, they go, they ready, they sew cloth, they do all those things. So tell them not quick finish their cloth. They not quick finish what they had in preparation. Before they come, they inaugurate the other people.
They're not going to inaugurate there the next day.
Mr. Nosa,
Wait,
they
Mr. Nosa, say you
that
arrange
kind of talk.
Say that, say you mentor.
No, if I hear something, they say something, hear something, and say something. Now, quick, you say, I give you 10 things where
Yes.
governor don't do. Good. 2017, I remember, say, October 10, some adult jobs graduate to become intern under government in 2017. Then, the first allowed down November. Before October 10th, the first ESMA team, about 300 and, I don't remember the one we joined them, 300 or something, Edo State government first engaged them. That 2017, now 3 I don't talk so, 2017, Mr. Governor through Edo Jobs come together to say we go open industrial park. That 2017, I remember either 11 or 12, we go Iyanomo, go do foundation stone. The president Oba today, he did there. The present vice president, Osibanjo, he did there. Now he launched the foundation stone for Iyanomo for industrial park. na part of the project.
They don't finish.
I dey come.
They don't finish.
I dey come now.
They don't finish.
That's 4. 5. Oga bring Chinese people. Mr. Governor, go Gelegele. TMC still follow them. Go Coco. Go take soil.
I know why you Gelegele again.
No, I dey come now.
I know why you Gelegele again.
You say make I name 10.
I know why you Gelegele
Now
again.
you say make I name 10.
Gelegele na a part of project.
No.
How can we do a Kewa road for the past 7 years?
I dey come now.
How many kilometers?
Not be road they go follow reach there.
How many
I dey
kilometers?
come.
I passed the Kewa road yesterday. You those
I dey come now.
They don't come
Na
out for this.
project.
They no be Ekenwa road. They no come out for this rainy season. You know say I want to tell you. You know say refinery dey Ekenwa road. A day Ekenwa down. Refinery.
I dey come now. I dey come. You see,
No, you know say refinery dey there.
increase them from 10 to 20. I go count them for you. Listen.
He do street light.
Wait now.
Now I dey wait for 6.
Wait. Person they get accident for express road again. New Lagos road. You know see.
Wait, street light first dey that place.
My
before.
light.
Street light first dey that place before. I mean, they pass administration before they
Generator.
Oh, they put street light or they don't put street.
No, someone like that also.
Wait. More quick analyzer.
Yeah.
You say you dey save money for the state. See, with all due respect to the governor.
But you not let me finish the project.
No, not there. No, you don't need to finish am. With all due respect to the governor. The governor don't do some certain things when me no believe say go fit do. When I say governor turns up. Now, if person go school, a time for there's over 100, it's called 30. That na pass mark.
You don't even get.
That one no be pass mark. Now, first tenor, now governor work. When Edo people come
That's under APC.
Under APC. No, me no they look party. I they look.
No, under APC.
Yes.
Because under APC.
Yes, because now the second tenor, he can't come.
Under PDP.
Under PDP. Edo people come say, no, what did this man they do? He go finish her. When last? I go ask you 2 questions. When last you hear say they call the governor, we can see governor.
Then they call him.
When last?
Then they call her for villages.
When last?
No, then
you
don't see disobedient.
When last?
The
you
3
hear?
men no listen now. I'm gonna take this thing one after the other because
Street light first day before.
no,
Street light first day before when they use generator.
Ain't no good.
Yeah, wait,
It
now
save
I
money.
want to analyze for you. Street light day when they use generator. I know the pole and the light day when they use generator. Why you no commode the gen? Leave that same street light. Connect wire. Because when it comes to electrical matter, good. Connect wire. They find the.
This one is solar.
Yes, now the solar. You get wire.
This one also more.
Why you not just where they for tap for the generator? Where they put up for the, you know, say those who they use I pass my neighbor gen. They'll put one wire, go get light. Why you not bring the wire for Osiomo? Tanya, join the 2 wire for where they for put.
Now remote they tell they on this one.
You just they speak grammar. You just
now
speak grammar.
remote. Now
You say you know they go Lagos, but we see you for Shagamu. Where you they go?
if you go Ibadan back.
You go Ibadan back.
When you don't pass.
When you don't pass Shagamu.
No, this one, listen.
They know they talk for us. I said, "Don't chop and nyamu." You come inside Palo.
If you don't enter Lagos, if you from Shagamu, make you enter Abeokuta.
Me enter Abeokuta.
I fit change my mind, not even go anywhere.
But you don't
for Shagamu.
You don't see the mass. No, you don't come out. See the way the masses they agitate.
Na babele. See, make I tell you one thing.
Now all the masses.
Okay, I want to ask you a question. I know they compare governor to governor because revenue different, state different, allocation different. I know they compare governor to governor. To be sincere from your heart, I will say Wike they contest second term or Wike they contest for position now. You don't say Wike only.
The money will dey River State.
I listen to the only Bible when they take the swear in say to whom little is given. What happen? Little is expected. To whom much is given.
Much is expected.
Listen.
Now, person when you remember where for big.
Now what you dey tell me now? I go tell you so. Now Oyibo you dey speak so. Oyibo now you dey speak so. If you think well, all the adjoining streets where C4 plus do under this my government.
You there? My papa has where they Ipobayi Christ choosing. My papa don't pack. Now God save and say the blesser. God bless her. I can go build another house for inside OV for Agbo Park. Go Christ choosing. Christ choosing decide. People don't turn to tenant for there. They don't. I tell you my papa. Erosion. Where C4 do? Erosion. I know they say my papa don't pack in erosion. Where C4 do?
Oga Precious.
How you say C4?
May you dey calm down. You know say me sef I no support Oga Nusa for wetin dey do.
Okay, wait.
He dey try sell.
You know what it take for landlord to be tenant.
You dey sell am to us.
Where the C4 now?
This morning,
where the
wetin
rapid
dey do be
response?
that?
You say now to change name of
the agency.
Ministry of Bridge and
Road and Bridge.
How many bridge? When I dey listen to one of our sister station one time. I dey listen one time. They call
You dey travel.
Wait,
You dey travel.
Well, nah.
You don't go for no. Listen,
wait,
you don't go Anwine. True me.
Now I want it. Now I want to end discussion for.
Wait, you don't go Anwine.
No, I want to leave. They ask Commissioner of Road and Bridge.
Okay.
How many bridge there in those states? You don't know how many bridge there.
He never count
For your office.
He never count am.
You know they far.
No,
you know they far.
The permanent secretary no remind am.
I mean, like they the studio.
This one where you dey even make excuse. If they say they don't pay organos or some kind of money.
No, listen.
People don't clean their PVC. They don't clean.
Waiting me they see.
PVC they talk.
Be una dey see o. Now, me na give me the floor. Waiting me they see for this government. I believe so na not dey see am. I dey follow governor dey come since. Governor don't do well. See security matter now, no kidnapping.
Now because the money no dey. Now because the money no dey. If you kidnap person,
security network where the man introduce, you don't see the work with it.
If you kidnap person, you say me bring 10 million. Where want for see the money?
No,
and they no take transfer. I make security job.
Whether
and it doesn't sell themselves. Network go see Caesar.
Okay, now how many cars they don't snatch where you don't hear?
Car?
Or car theft? You go use key carry am. You know they see black and black everywhere. You don't see pull up. Now bring pull up not there now. Election day they not. You don't go ring good. More just come up for you now. Go ring good. Or more go cover day. More go cover ring good now. Ring good na market. They sell for inside ring good now. If you say more go now, more just go. Ring good na market now. Esma you feel big traffic. They know they talk. Esma no go talk. But before you know try to go park their healers for back of one place. But now big traffic. Esma no talk. Pull up don't go sleep. People when they give their appointment or when they give their work, don't they say make una relax. You don't see the way Benin been now because of election. You don't see those people when they wear black and black when they be security network. Go Benin for night and they drive for night. They don't form roadblock. They carry Ilalubo everywhere. Ilalubo. No, it's stop and search. We stop and check. No. And another thing where you go know. If you look this our road, I know what called in the road name. For night, at about 2, where we go to the studio, they do our work. The way these small boys they drive their minimum to the path, boom. And I could discover say since where security network come, they will stop there. It will come reduce the speed. It add to value for this government.
Oh,
it had to
when the boys
before they get accident,
they drive the motor where they join the security network. Anyway. You know they see where they put their cap for front. You know they say with their ID card. Oh, you dey tell me now say that the escort person go occasion if you want to go spray, they go they shoot for them. You know. No, you know. See, those people they don't stop there now. They know they do them again. Okay, now you talk now. I'll still remind you where we do this Obonga political matter.
Yes.
Now I want just bend go small. The IG Inspector General of Police, Baba Kali.
We talk yesterday.
Yes, we talk yesterday. He said nobody go carry police,
even the VIP.
The VIPs.
On Monday.
Oh no! He said on Monday we will meet for this program, or we will bring report for the election tomorrow. I will tell you, my unit, my ward. I will tell you. Ikobawaka Ward 3. I will tell you. I'll give you people will come with security. You'll see.
Oh yeah, make quick mark for this Mr. Governor campaign and the presidential campaign, National Assembly campaign, and the House of Assembly campaign. The difference between that time and because I be the topic and the program of today. Now, when I see the way Mr. Governor, because I never see governor like Obaseki, we're serious. Because he believes that those where they go Abuja, majority of them know they remember home. Or I don't know. The House of Assembly, they're more important to us because me like House of Assembly. The policy, the policies from House of Assembly where they help adopt people. Let me get interest on. Not be that one where they come from Abuja where they on the sea. We business also motorcycle and the rest they can't distribute here. But this House of Assembly, the way we adopt people need them. We need to pass the National Assembly. If not be say small thing, we need to pass the president. Because we need the House of Assembly. PDP, the way they look them, they go make 24/24 by Monday or Sunday for this state. The way governor take campaign for them. Food, where adopt people want chop since 7 years, governor give them this period. And I clap for governor for that one.
I don't join you clap for.
And they come. The 3 senators for the state. PDP not come out for anyone. The House of Reps, 3 from McDonald's, 2 for Edo Central, 1 never go now. Then I think 4 from Edo South. PDP not there among them. The only hope now are the one for Central, where concern AAU and Igwebe, College of Education for Igwebe. I think Mr. Governor still go there yesterday. He go Ilalubo.
He go good the people. Wow, Obosha.
Okay.
But they are here.
But he tried.
He go good there. He don't pass the road.
Okay.
With Jeep.
He passed the road.
He passed the road with Jeep.
He reached them.
He passed the road with Jeep.
But the road no bad.
For you, small motor.
That's a federal road now. Now federal road. If Arigbe Shola, he do it for Osun State, he don't do road. Federal government can't pay them when the Yetowa can enter. That one at there. Now Yoruba people won't be that. We get style. We dey carry Edo resources they put for Edo matter. We know they put up for that kind of road. Federal government later now they don't pay because they with the opposition. It's not possible.
But people where they pass, they not go talk say na federal government.
But they carry no.
They go say Edo road bad. Edo road no good.
See, but they carry revenue ticketing. When the body call ticketing for that road every day. Me and you go wonder what they pass supply road this year now. See when does that? Na federal road.
Okay, now make we chook mouth for this side now. The senators wey dey under PDP when they lose the election, the reps wey dey under PDP wey lose the election, how na fit say they go dey feel now with the way governor to increase the campaign for the House of Assembly? What do you think?
Your belly no go sweet them. I tell you, say this governor campaign is political motivated. According to the word what the governor talk when he go one of those association, he say no allow those people come because their plan na to impeach me. Now what he talk?
He talk
He said they go come out time.
He said they go come out time. That be impeachment for English. He talk with him math. Now he talk so no smoke without fire.
But if he talk because the good things where the man they do for the state, he want finish them. If those people, they come as majority or 2/3, they go to disturb her. He don't finish the work again.
Okay, I want to ask you a question. How many bees don't come the house when they reject this present house? You know the beauty of democracy and the beauty of house now to accept some bees and to reject some bees.
Yes. And you see, that one go possible when you get opposition.
When you get opposition party. Now you see why.
But you bring your own people.
Now what do you tell them? Which day they go back to which day they go back to us? Some people for area who call the WhatsApp house.
The thing can be like one man mopo.
One man mopo. You're for WhatsApp person.
But if you get bill when it carry weight, we go help Edo people. You go pass
all the bill get weight.
No, tell me the one we not get weight.
All the bills get weight.
See, all the bills where they pass. Okay, budget. Be good.
All the bills. Now, when they want to go destroy, I get interested in that Magba.
When they not go Magba. They go Okroma,
that area, all those areas.
They go for night, do coffee for 3 nights.
Yes, I did there. They lock me for there. If you
government property.
I know they say
those people too hot.
But some people get CFO for that land.
And I pass government not verify before they give the CFO.
This government not continuous test.
This
government not process.
Government.
Old government go give me appointment.
Yes.
Give me work. Governor
can revoke your CFO when he not pass the direct channel.
Those people not pass direct channel.
If he not pass.
Okay, make a big somebody when he get like we get CFO, we pass the direct channel.
We want that person for this studio next week.
Okay, you go see her.
Mr. Precious, apart from even the CFO, if you want tell person say this is the way they give you so. Take up. Again, how you go take compensation?
He supposed to pass that bill to the house. Say we want to reclaim our land.
I buy.
True first.
Government can certify say this land na my land. You can say na lie. Then you suppose make me understand, make me see reason with you. Say,
but you know say some touts. You know say we follow commissioner for fiscal planning. Go arrest some touts where they do illegal approval.
And they suppose see people wey dey the house, the endogist, people wey dey the house when they approve. If now we have system for the work, yes. Everybody wey dey the house, wey dey that endogist, when they approve that CFO, and they come find out say na government land, they no verify. If now I leave this question for my opponent to answer, if now we have system they work, what they go do there? I just leave that question for my opponent to answer.
You know say internet no to work here.
No, I just leave that question for you to answer.
Internet no dey too strong for this place.
Okay.
So if you want make system work, because everything are online.
Yes.
So no, I dey call you say I make mistake. Instead of me I put jar for jar 1 test and I go put am for 3. My car can't jack. Nobody will make mistake.
No, not before one, not before two, not before three, not before four.
What they do not be this government they approve all those things for them. Now past government, we not say na continuity, but when you see say legality too.
It even come different when it be say that land I never develop them. But I don't develop am. Use all my life savings. Don't say build house finish. Don't rest my mind. Say to I don't come up for landlord.
See, I want let you now understand one thing.
Me back.
Tomorrow.
Make I go the
because this one when you dey talk like be like say you go dey waiting don't sleep. Tomorrow na election.
Sleeping dog no dey lie for Nigeria again. Like our Ogbege program we do 3 days back. When sleeping
dogs they help you save am for internet.
You go save am. They
go bring am come outside for you.
You see when our president-elect Bola Ahmed Tinubu bring a vice presidential elect Shetima.
Yes.
You see when people call it bring some certain things. Because he tell us say get one man when they catch for Boko Haram matter. Wait up they did the same hotel. They call it bring different things. See sleeping dog no they lie.
And my people.
Now here we there for this state where they put telly for everywhere.
My people they always say
they play message. Sleeping dog they lie.
If elderly is for they look back. But be like say our politicians now, I don't understand. They fall like small pikin. They look front. They know they look back. Say, wetin make me fall like this?
If old woman carry basket, he fall. He pick again, waka go front, he fall. Maybe the woman can't the basket. Wait they say whether I correct.
Okay, now you know say Labour Party they not reach 24 as candidate for Edo.
They don't need to reach 24. Oh. They be third first. They just they come out. If they get 4, they don't pass. See, 4 vibrant people. If they has that has when I meet fire, I know me say the house go.
But you know say money they spare people.
We don't need to
see money they spare people.
See, look the people when Labour Party bring. They're hungry.
Majority of they hungry.
The people when Labour Party bring. They get one candidate when NPP. I'll call her when they. You see Ego, Ego and Ovia and Oredo this thing. The candidates when they bring.
NPP.
NPP for I think now he go a bit of it. And the rest, I know they call the rest. If you see some candidates when they bring, when I look their profiles, even me no fit make a choice. But you know, what it make
profile no they win election.
No, wait. Now
so they win election.
When I ask some people on the day
February,
you say I ask some people on the day of presidential election, how come you just vote? He say when they give me the ballot paper, I don't know which one be presidency, I don't know which one be rep. I don't know which one be Senate.
And I don't want to vote for this other party. So I don't want mistake.
So I just put my hand for one party for the 3. I know I can't name. I just put my hand for 1, 2, 3. I'll just put her. See, you know, say you feel no good, but when a man when a good face cover your face, they will vote for you.
And one thing
last week Saturday, you say Labour Party presidential candidate for the election we pass. The day Edo.
We go New Benin.
We go
Mission Road.
You see,
who asked to make it still come here?
He cut a thank you.
Okay, why be a leader? This thing, why governor don't they meet with people since their mind don't they come down? They don't they ready to go vote for PDP and governor candidates. He can still come.
He follow the constitution because they say no hate speech, no criticizing other party, no criticizing other party. All what he talk, vote for all these candidates. They won't have to vote for me. Maybe I go tell you now, thank you.
Why he go the area where governor
go where if for win? Now I go tell thank you. No one raise canopy for president. They tell thank you.
Wait till I go tell you. By
on Monday, my advice to Edo people now, come out. No follow party, follow candidate, and follow person when he know road, when he know on a constituency.
So that you no go for loss.
So that you no go loss. He say they carry you, they go where you don't know now because you don't know road. Get one of our man with a Abuja when the cold hand of death carry. He said there, you see his nickname, Mr. Constituency.
That will work.
He no, I tell you, no, I just tell you.
Okay.
They say no all constituency by name.
Okay.
So when you say so and so place, he go tell you see where I did. Nobody one when you say where be go by, he go say make I go.
Well, my people, we don't pass even 30 minutes. Other program people don't they wait for us. They point out to us, make we do more come over there to say they want to start their own. And we say make it from here, give some more advice to Edo people. Tomorrow, March 18, where everybody they wait for since. For the House of Assembly election for Edo, for some state governorship election and houses of assembly, it go shele for tomorrow. And we don't chook mouth for so many areas, starting from up, enter middle, from middle. I will sit down for grand since begin the arguing. And we don't, inside here, may I just learn small lessons from INA and Precious. Some things they where they talk, we may not know before. You know, I just they are not to they get information of waiting some areas they be. And we don't educate some persons for the society today. Make una carry una vote, make una go feed, make una go vote for una prefer candidates.
I beg INEC.
No, I dey go there.
True. Supposed to
I dey go there.
INEC
See,
matter.
I dey go there.
If they don't get light to charge beavers, may they bring a come office here, where the charger.
Thank you. Now, our people make una go vote for our preferred candidates, and they say they get 18 political parties for 18th of tomorrow, Saturday, for the House of Assembly election. They get PDP, APC, NPP, Labour Party LP,
AAC,
AA, ZLP, Abuga, Idede. Make una go cast una vote for all these people. Make them win election. Make them come the house. When time reach for, I think now June 4th or 7th, now they inaugurate them. If it's too long, you will reach 17, the way it happened for the last time. They will inaugurate them, make them start new fresh government. And for this present government of executive, make things work for Edo people, make things better pass as it be before. And we still took mouth for some areas where we advise INEC. Una beavers, according to Precious, he said for not get light. Say TMC TV radio, they get light for their place. When you call them, we go give una one portion, make una charge una beavers, make it work. Anything we go bring wahala. That pot I want to not open the last time. Make una open at this time, make people vote. Make una remember, say, 3 cups of rice. Now they buy vote for 4 years. Vote your conscience. 5,000, 2,000, not fee buy vote. Vote your conscience. Don't let hunger do you. Make you not go know who you want to vote for. If you vote for the bad government way day before to continue, you go live for bad system. If you use your voter's card to change the system, you will change the system from bad to good. I go say make Precious, make you chook my small for 5 seconds, make you sign up from your end, and I give her another 5 seconds, make you sign up from your end. My name still remain No Sakari Nayore.
This now Precious, crazy voice. Edo people, I know to be law-abiding citizens. So I'm gonna go out tomorrow, stay out of trouble, vote, and do the right thing.
So my name na Taiwo. Man, I no forget say your right or your vote na your power. No forget say now you don't fit take your future for your hand. If you want vote, no talk say because say the last election get as it be, you no go come vote. May you come out, may you go vote. No worry, everything go better. And my advice to our politician, make them no forget say youth don't wake up, country people don't wake up. If you do anyhow for your first term, remember say second term day we no go vote for you.
Thank you very much.